cinematic sound effects for your next video. Cinematic sinister hits. Dark, ominous hits that add a sense of dread. Great for horror or thriller scenes, building an eerie atmosphere. Cinematic roll swells. Rolling, undulating swells that add a sense of continuity and fluidity. Cinematic impact thumps. Deep, resonant thumping sounds that add weight. Perfect for emphasizing major actions and dramatic plot points. We've helped over 20,000 video editors on YouTube elevate their sound design skills. Now it's your turn. Get your free sound effects pack today. Click the link to download yours.